everyone, and welcome back to Sophie's Cooking Corner, where love cooks. And so, if you're tuning in for the first time, I just want to welcome you. And for those who have been with me, thanks so much, guys. You mean so much to me. And so, here I am displaying a few items that I'll be using in something very delicious. But, guys, I want you to pay attention, and I will be right back. Guys, I am back, and so this plain is my vanilla, almond extract, nutmegs, bananas that has been sliced. That's really one banana in the cup there. Ice cubes. A cup of strawberry, and that's 5 strawberries in all that has been washed and sliced as well. And here, guys, in this bowl I have the oatmeal that I have been soaking for the past 10 minutes, and this is 1 cup of oatmeal to a cup and a half of almond milk. So guys, today we're gonna make some strawberry banana oatmeal smoothie delight. So guys, here I have my oatmeal, which is soaked, and now I'm pouring it into the blender. Then I'll be adding my strawberries, bananas, three cubes of ice, my vanilla, almond extract, my nutmeg. And so guys, these will add extra flavor to your smoothie delight. Guys, I almost forget, a pinch of salt can be added as well. And guys, now that we're through with all of that, now it's time to blend. And so guys, in this blender all I can see is healthiness, and this is for breakfast. I will see you at presentation. And here you have it, guys, strawberry banana oatmeal smoothie delight, rich in fiber and vitamins, carbohydrate and protein. It's great for energy and weight loss. Guys, this is a breakfast you cannot resist. What I love about this smoothie is that it's quick and it's easy, and also it's packed with nutritional benefit. Guys, guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give me a like, subscribe to my channel, turn the post notification bell on so you'll be the first to know when I upload new videos. And guys, share this video. Until then, you know I love you guys so much, and never forget that love is a secret ingredient that should always be in all your meals. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.